Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to The Offspring, and we are going to react to the song Gotta Get Away.
It's requested by Jeffrey.
Yes.
The Offspring, Gotta Get Away. Not heard this though, as you can tell.
Let's begin.
Wow. Love this tune.
This was The Offspring. There's also Linkin Park, and there are a couple of more bands that more than often they discuss lyrics about mental health or things related to psychological topics. And this was one such take of The Offspring on someone who's probably paranoid, maybe suffering from initial days of schizophrenia. Something is happening, something is wrong with his head, there are demons. Whether he's sitting on the bed, no matter how relaxed he may be, or no matter what activities he's doing, he's feeling uneasy, troubled within, and he's saying he has to go away from him. It's not a comfortable thing within your body. It's not easy living with your own self. It's like dual personalities that are playing with you, and you don't know what exactly is happening. It gets creepy when I talk about such things, and I get my hair raised as well, thinking about somebody who has to put up with something like that, or who has to live that way for whatever period of time until they get treated, or sometimes it is very, very difficult for them to be completely treated. So it's the most difficult state of or phase in a person's life when you're not comfortable within your own structure. Being not comfortable in a room, in a home, in an office. You can do certain things to change things, to change your surroundings. But when things go wrong with this entity, it is very, very, very challenging.
Yeah, when things go wrong from within, it's indeed difficult to cope with it well. And this is the case over here. He wants to get away from himself. And the music was so catchy to go along with it. You don't know whether to sing along, enjoy it, dance with my hands or what. Well, this is really cool from The Offspring. They have a wonderful way of taking up topics like these, which are very relevant, very hard-hitting, powerful topics that connect with scores of people worldwide, but taking it up in such a fun, light way that you really enjoy it. You really enjoy listening to the music, but at the same time you realize, oh, these things happen. These things happen to people. It may have happened with me at some point of time, that you want to get away from your own thoughts, your own self, your own soul, as far away as possible. One of the things I would love to do if I had the time and money to actually invest in it, I would love to have a 24-hour surveillance on people who are going through such phases.
Yeah, actually they do need
Because it will help millions of people in the years to come. In my work as a counselor and psychotherapist, I've learned a bit along the way for sure in the last 2 decades or so. But definitely when you have CCTVs, like a security camera or CCTV surveillance, 24 hours round the clock surveillance on people who are maybe going through manic episodes, heavy depression, schizophrenia, as Kirti said, if that's the case here. I would love to study them and see what actually happens. How do they act? Because we cannot see what they are thinking. But how do they act at different times? Their expressions with a micro camera, possibly record their minute micro expressions minute to minute. I would love to do that for lots of people, because that would really help me understand people like that and help my clients
how to help
a
more,
lot
yeah.
better. It will definitely help lots of people. Such a kind of intensive research. I don't know if it's ever been done in the US in any university, whether Princeton or Harvard, which has big psychology
this
wings.
movie is there, no? The Split, was that the last one?
Yeah, they do have sanitariums and asylums, mental institutions. They do have some kinds
But
of
for extreme-
studies going on, but
extreme cases.
not 24 hours, I don't think.
I don't think
And
they
for a
teach,
large
yeah.
number of people, I don't think so. So 24-hour surveillance, record it, and maybe whenever we really want to pay attention to things, we can make note of things, and it will definitely help us understand certain things better.
It does.
Yeah, this is a really good song.
And
really
kudos
good
to
song.
The Offspring. Taking up topics like these is very uneasy thing done in an easy way, said in an easy way.
And I love that hook towards the end. It took me by surprise when it came in, but The Offspring knows how to do that so brilliantly. Oh, something like that. That was beautiful. That was just masterly from The Offspring.
Thank you for your time.